Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a different type of video. I'm going to be talking about a company called Walt Life. Walt Life is a subscription box company that sends you goodies from Disney every month, and they were kind enough to send me a box, and I haven't opened it yet, so I'm so excited to see what's inside. I have no idea what it is, so it's like a surprise at your door every month. On their website they have different options of boxes you can choose. I am so excited to open it. I haven't even touched it yet. I was like, I need to make a video immediately, so I'm ready to open it. Here is my box. Your Walt Life adventure begins. It's so cute. It's a special delivery. Let's do it. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to open it. Okay. How is it? Is it cool? Oh my god, it's so cute. Guys, I'm gonna get it everywhere. I feel like we need to sit down before we actually open this. Let's sit down. Okay, so I'm on the floor. It should be easier to work. I wish I could show you like both angles, but I'm not that tech. I don't have. Okay. Oh, it's Christmas themed. Oh my gosh, hold on. Oh, it's so cute. Look. How cute is that? It's a little pup. Oh, I have to open it. This is like Christmas Day. I think the best part is that you just tell them what you like. To be honest, I wrote in the comments like I love Christmas, so they really made a Christmas one for me. This is so cute. Let's open him. I love him. Look at how cute he is. I'm dead. Look, his little scarf at the back. Oh my god, it's so cute. Curtis actually loves to collect stuff like this. Like this is like Bob Ross. I think this is Deadpool, but I don't know, it's cute. I feel like they're kind of the second. I'm so excited to see what else is. As you saw, I didn't open this before doing this. Oh, it's Anna. I have a bunch of these too. This is so funny. It's a little Anna Tsum Tsum. Hold on, I collect these too. Look, the little stitches, and now I have the Anna. They're so cute. I love them. Oh my god, they're gonna be best friends. Okay. Alright, next thing. Jelly beans with Minnie Mouse. Oh my god, I didn't know they put snacks. I love snacks. I love everything. Next thing. It's an ornament. It's legit, by the way. It's from Disney, and Ariel is one of my favorites. I love Ariel and Rapunzel and Belle. This is gonna go so cute, and I'm decorating my room for Christmas tomorrow, so you know this is gonna be on my tree. And the last, there's a box within a box. I'm nervous. I am the worst at opening boxes. Oh my god, it's Christmas. I already see that it's something to do. This is so fun. This is like just the best idea in the whole world. I'm not even just saying that. I want to do this every month. Wait. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Oh, I didn't even show you. I'm like, Snow White, Dopey. Oh my god, my tree is gonna look so cute with all this stuff. Oh, let's open this too. They're like animated kind of. I mean, I know that they're animated, but like the okay, just look. They're so cute. Dopey, see, like his face is like not like the normal one. It's so cute. Oh my gosh, this one and this one. And you know, like, it's good quality too. This is the best thing ever. I want to do this for myself every month. This made me so happy. Okay, my favorite has to be the Mickey. This is so adorable. And I also love that my Stitch has an Anna to play with. Amazing. I love everything. And there's snacks and there's Christmas stuff. It came really fast. Like I was just talking with them like 2 days ago, and it's already here today. I'm obsessed. I want to do this again. They actually gave me a code to give you guys if you wanted to get $10 off your subscription. The code is returntosophie10, so just enter that if you'd like to get a box too. And I think it's perfect for somebody who doesn't live close to Disney, because you still get the fun when you're not close. I know this was a different type of video, but I hope you guys had fun watching me open the box because I thought it was so cool. If you would like to order a box from Walt Life, just go to waltlife.com and enter the code returntosophie10 at checkout. I feel so official saying that. Okay, well, thank you guys for watching this video. Me and Mickey are going to decorate for Christmas, but that video won't be up until Vlogmas because I'm trying to get them in because I have finals and then I graduate, and I'm not trying to not graduate. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye!